Lately, me come to realize that there's a whole life out there apart from the life where me and you are living. Since this month, when I've been venturing out of my comfort zone, me come to realize there's some blurred not opportunity there road. Some money put out over one part or one place in America and some boy and girl pack it and wait for you to take it out tight, you see? Me not trying to come and scam man rate it. Some money out a road for make. What do you make up for 1 minute? Carry cruise something. And when I went there, it's like on the water, some boat on the water, you go around and you look and, you know, sightseeing type of stuff. And the person that was doing the tour guide for the cruise, guide on the cruise, I show with the ear and my pass a blur na $1 billion house on the waterfront this up. And the man, like what the cruise guy has said, this guy that owned this house, he went to buy a yacht. And when the man went to buy a yacht, he saw a similar yacht. A twin yacht to the yacht where he purchased. And the man just goes a bam and buy the 2 freaking same yacht, same color, same everything. And the man have the 2 yacht them park or dock. I don't know what yacht do if it's park or dock, whatever. In front of the house on the waterfront there, so back of one another. You're literally looking at the 2 same yacht back to back each other. I'm looking out. Why am I even reach out there? So because girl change her mindset. Because you see when they're on a set of people, yeah, I'm shouting. You see when they're in a circle and a clique and a gang and a hive there, so, and if the person where you surround yourself with no ambitious and not come out to nothing, you will eventually come to nada. So what I did was I'm doing these things and I'm outside and I'm going places that multi-billion, millionaire are and they're hanging around, because chances are if I hang around these people, eventually I will become one. You ever hear your parents say to your grandparents, say, show me your company and I'll tell you who you are, and they always say bird of a feather flock together. Check your circle. This man had 2 freaking yachts, the same thing, parked back of one another. Why was he able to do that? Because he have money like crazy. So I had nothing to do than buy a freaking second yacht will look the same as the first yacht. So opportunity and money and some lifestyle there road where me witness with my eye. You see some 20-year-old, 50-year-old, 15, whatever. You even see YouTuber in them teens and make billions of dollars off of YouTube where you know you never seen in your life. You never see a 6-digit figure in your account or in your bank. You never see a 3-digit. You never see a 5-figure in your bank or in your hand. And there are some random regular. Remember one time when people used to reach, I used to the politician and people were born with gold spoon and them out front, you know, them literally born into luxury. They're literally born into wealth. But now you're seeing influencers, a TikToker, a YouTuber, a girl where we sell wigs, I sell lashes, the beautician, they're having money. Money is in everybody's pocket nowadays. But why you not get it? And because you surround yourself with some people who not feed you. Them not feeding their energy, nothing positive. Them not show you how to start a business. And then here's the thing about business. You say the minute you make one and you start it and you master the blueprint, it is so easy to start another and another and another. And this is why you see so many LLC, so many Inc., so many corporations have multiple different Donald Trump. If you never study Trump, go read Trump book. Despite the politician and the things that they put in your eyes for you to see, Trump is that serial entrepreneur. Trump have hundreds of LLC. Why was he able to do this? Because the minute he get the blueprint and understand how to run business, which has established a business, get funding. After you get the funding, you use the funding and flip your business or sell it. Marketing, chef kids, marketing is key to your business. You see me come on here, you see me do my video, you see me talk, and you see me do my live. This is how I market. There's ads that you can run. There's so many regular people. When they're born in a wealth, I become rich nowadays. Why are you not a part of those percentage? The 1% or the 2% where I make money like crazy. Like you can go get your hair done, your nails done, and feel pretty about yourself. You can go pick up 2 stuff at the mall and have to worry your rent to come up first a month, and you know the rent have got paid, car note have got paid, X6 where you want. Life that we want to live, the abundance, the abundance just a flow. The life where you fantasize. I remember. Me used to think say everything what I'm rich, because how dare me live a luxury life. I never born into wealth. I'm not rich, I'm not healthy, I'm not wealthy. I'm not wealthy. All if you realize say frig, it's out there. Everybody sell a course, everybody a teach a course. Where if you flip it and passionate about it and market enough, you're easy if you start make 6 figure. You're easy if you make 7 figure, 8, 9, reach up in the billies, millies. Life is not hard like it used to be. It's your circle. It's your mindset. I remember. Y'all remember. You know my story. Where me I come from and where me there, I know where me I go. So even though I'm here, I don't have friends, I don't have company. But you see, if my phone, when I go through my phone, if my phone ring, anybody a come and a call, somebody will feed into me. When I go through my contact, I'm supposed to have people way up in a life than me. Because them have to teach me something. Me have to come off a phone call. Me have to come out of a restaurant. Me have to come out and carry somebody that fed me to motivate me to go higher. And when I have me start put myself in a room, I start to put myself in places where persons are already there, so they can inspire me, so I can see and say, okay, this is how you do it. I will pay for a course, I will pay for a consultation, so I can come back and invest it into Here For You Immigration and whatever other business I have. Money out there, the money out there, the lifestyle out there, but where y'all